Hello YouTubers and welcome. I have a pair of unknown cheap speakers which I've searched. The only information on these speakers is this model right here, which I don't even think it's a model number. Now I have upgraded these guys, so on the left side, which is this side, has the original speaker. On the right side it was slightly starting to stick, so I stopped playing them. This one also here has sound insulation. The reason why there's so much wood glue around it is because I kind of messed up the basket when I last took it out. But that's an upgrade to that. And here's what the upgrade looks like, because I haven't installed the other speaker yet. There will be a video coming out of them both upgraded. It's a 6 ohm 10 watt. Much better wattage in these, even though I don't know what wattage they are. They don't say anything on the basket. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a pan test. So you need to wear headphones, but I'm going to play this one first, and then I'm going to switch to this one. So I'm going to remove this one so you know that one's not playing. And here's what it looks like. Ignore the fact there's all like what looks like cup stains because I had a cup sitting on it the one day. But yeah, as you can see, no information on them whatsoever. So yeah, they are partly wood, but not real wood. But yeah, let's begin. Also, the bass is on full and that's where the volume is. And it will be the same song as what I played the other day.
Take you higher, don't stop me, I'll start that fire. We about to take you higher, don't stop me, I'll start that. We about to take you higher, stop me, I'll start that.
Here is the other speaker, as you can see, guys. Same volume, same bass. Already has way more bass.
We about to take you higher, don't stop me, I'll start that. We about to take you higher, stop me, I'll start that.
Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Comment down on which speaker you think sounds the best, the left or the right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and goodbye.